Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sesadowsi. Tantolorun, Baba Oloyin gan. Baba Oloyin original. I'm staying at Iyesiota. Baba Oloyin bus stop. Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyesiota. My telephone number 08054749455. Listen again. 08054749455. You can send your message on WhatsApp. I will reply you. If you want to send message on WhatsApp, you are from other state, you can add +234. You add 2 +234 before you dial the number. So it will reach me and will reply you. We get the books online. This is only as a medicine. Only as a medicine for fibroid, hypertension, diabetes, rheumatism, arthritis. Only as a medicine. How you can cure your fibroid without operation is inside only as a medicine. This book has been published for the past 5 years. Nobody has ever complained. This is healing power of honey. Agbára ìwòsàn oyin. Those of you that bought the books online, you will see Yoruba first, but when you show forward, you see the English version. This is on àbáyọ sí ìṣòro ẹ̀dá. Solution to woman problems. Solution to woman problems is in the book. This is the latest book. African Power. Africa is my fatherland. Africa is my fatherland. Nigeria is my country. Oh, this is African Power. I told you what you can do to protect your properties. You want to protect your house, you want to protect your car. Yes, kò ní akéèyàn ṣiṣẹ́ kẹ́ni ẹlẹ́ni gbà sí ẹ̀ sí ẹni ẹlẹ́ni ò ní gbà sí gbogbo sí. This is corn. You put it inside bottle. How you will use it is in African Power. African Power. Today, I will tell you how you can stop sex dream. That is spiritual husband, spiritual wife. How you can stop spiritual husband or spiritual husband. You will hear it today. Yes, I will teach you. Many people are calling me, Papa, and we expect you to put it inside the latest book, African Power. You didn't put it inside. The reason why I didn't want to put everything inside that book, some people, they only want free information. They will be calling you, Papa, you never talk about spiritual husband. Then when I ask them, which book did you buy from me? They say nothing. I have not bought anything. So is that good? Put me into your shoes. I'm a family man as well. If it is not because of those people who are giving me money, I will have stopped teaching free things. I will only be advertising my books for those who need it. But some people are giving me money, and God will always bless them, as I always say. I can't forget to thank you. Anytime I do programs, because when I say the book is 10,000, some people will give me 20,000. And that's what. Some people, they say they don't have money. But when I call a book for 5,000, they send 6,000 for me. They normally send 6,000 instead of 5,000. That's something. Some people, they normally top it to 500 naira, and it's something. And some people, they will send money. They don't buy anything. So God will bless you all. This 2021 is our year by special grace of God. I will tell you, because of some people that have bought the books and for the benefit and for the people that are giving me money. So I will tell you how you can stop sex dream, sex in the dream, and we call it a spiritual husband. They normally disturb people. If you are looking for husband, they will disturb you. If you are looking for wife, your spiritual wife will disturb you. So don't forget, I'm Baba Oloyin original. If you can't come to Iyesiota, you can go to Mushin, number 4 Alukolaro Street, Mushin. You can go to number 4 Alukolaro Street, Mushin. For Ikoto Egbe, drop at Sele bus stop Egbe. Sele bus stop Egbe. From there, take Maruwa to Oja Agodo. That's Agodo Market. House of number 2 Femi Osobu Street. Number 2 Femi Osobu Street, Agodo Market. Our products are there. You see our money, you see the booths there. At Bariga, go to number 36 Ilaje Road. Number 36 Ilaje Road, Bariga. Number 36 Ilaje Road, Bariga. That's a big man. We are there. So sometimes if you go to agents, you can't see honey. If you want to go to anybody, call us or send message on WhatsApp to ask from me whether there is honey or not, because honey is very scarce. Very, very scarce. Sometimes I used to say some people will just come to you, I need only honey. What of book? They will tell you I don't need book. Maybe you have taught us many things on YouTube. I only need honey. Is that good? So you only need free information, you don't need honey. So sometimes honey, you don't suppress outside. It's only Yesi, Ota, and Mushin that I can boast that except Sunday, there's no day you can come to the two offices that will not get honey. But the other places, you have to call me to ask me whether they get honey or they don't get. Honey is very, very scarce. And some people will just tell you, I only need honey. I don't need book. And the book is what we are eating. Honey is very expensive, very scarce. So, come to Babole bus stop, Yesota. From Sango, just enter Maruwa that is going to Yanayesi. At Yanayesi, cross to the other side of the road, that petrol station. Tell Okada man or Maruwa you are going to Babole office. They will bring you to our office. Yes. If you are coming from Wode Diroko or from Agbara, enter Maruwa or bus that is going to Sango. Drop at Yanayesi. At Yanayesi, you see Okada. Tell them you are going to Babole house. All these books, they are online. If you want to buy all these books, honey as a medicine, healing power of honey, solution to woman problems, African power, you can get them on your phone. You are on WhatsApp or email or Gmail. You can forward the book to your email. Just ask for account number. Just ask for account number. I will send the books to your WhatsApp or email without delay. Yes. I told you in my last video, this is the root. If you want to know the name of this root, you have to buy this latest book, African Power. African Power. This root can reduce hypertension. It can reduce the sugar level. It's for diabetes. It's good for rheumatism and arthritis. It's good for manpower. When you are urinating frequently, some people will say, I tasted my urine. It's not sweet. I don't think I have diabetes. You can have it. There are some diabetes that when you urinate, ants will not gather on it. Flies will not touch it. Even if you taste it, it will not sweet. And that one is even more serious than those people that get the urine that get to be sweet. Yes. African get power. African get power. Anybody see, this is stone. This is stone. If you have spiritual husband, that when you are a woman or a girl, whenever you are sleeping, strange man will come and meet you. Yes, this is for it. Yes, I'm releasing this power as I'm directed by God. If I wait for those who don't buy book, I will not release this secret. Some men, some boys, when they sleep, so when they wake up, their bed will wait. They will meet in the midnight. When they sleep, they will see strange girl. They will fuck them. Then in the morning, your bed will get wet. You are meeting old women, not girls. And from there, they will take your destiny. They can take your destiny from it. You can lose your job if you have constant sex dream. Ask for your pastor. They will tell you. They will tell you. It's not enjoyment. You are a woman, strange man, always come to you in the midnight to meet you. It's a bad dream. When you are selling, no market again. You are doing business, your business will jeopardize. You are working in the government office or company, they can sack you because of spiritual husband or spiritual wife. This is how to do it. Yoruba call it akọ òkúta. Some English translations say millstone. Millstone, that's parallel translation. But the English name is flint stone. Flint stone. What you will do is that you get a bottle. I don't say plastic bottle, a real bottle. This is a bottle. Because some people will be asking me whether I can use a minerals plastic bottle. It's not. It's a real bottle you will use. And it must be white one. It must be a white bottle. You put one stone inside it. Add clean water on top of it. Be drinking it. When you drink it after 3 days, when the water finishes, put the stone outside. Remove the stone. Put another water. Wash the bottle. Put another drinking water inside it. Cover it. Anytime you want to drink, you can drink it early in the morning and before you go to bed in the night. This is a spiritual, this is for spiritual wife or spiritual husband. By the special grace of God, if we use it, you will not witness it again. Ẹni bá lóògùn kì í sọ pé òun ní oògùn. Yes, ara ń sán pẹran, ẹnìkan kò mú wọn sí, kò sẹ́ni tí ó mọ̀ sí. Kí ló dé? Táwọn apá máa jánu kiri. Ẹṣin tàtàtà ó kú, èèyàn rìn ó sọnù. Ọgbọ́n ń bẹ, èèyàn wà. Yóò bá léwé oríṣiríṣi, ewé má fọwọ́ kọ ọmọ mi, ewé mọ́wọ́ kò lára mi, ewé rẹ́rìn kò mí. Ewé rẹ́rìn kò mí wà, ewé kílẹ̀ fi mí ṣe wà. Nǹkan bẹ o. Don't forget, this is African Power. It's the latest book. If you want to buy it, you can buy it online. You can buy it on your phone, on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. All the other books, there are every other books. We have 4 books. You can get it online. If you are living far, you are living in London, America, Japan, Canada, you can buy all the books online. But if you are in Nigeria, you can send it through courier service. If you can pay that extra charges for courier service, I can send the book to you. Don't forget, I am Baba Oloyin original. I'm saying that Yesota, Baba Oloyin original. Baba Oloyin original. You see me at Baba Oloyin bus stop, Yesota. My telephone number, WhatsApp number is at the bottom of this thing. If you are at the bottom of this video, if you have never subscribed, please subscribe. And those of you that normally share among friends and relatives, please don't forget to share this important information. Àwọn kan ti di ẹrù ẹgbẹ́ káàkiri ti sún wọn. Wọ́n rẹ ẹrù ẹgbẹ́ títí ẹgbẹ́ ni ọ̀rọ̀ kan ṣe wọ́n. Yes, some people has carried load for these spiritual friends. Yes, but still they are witnessing this spiritual husband, spiritual wife. This is the solution. Akọ òkúta ẹ sọ sínú inú gò. Ẹ máa mú. Ẹmu inú ẹ. Ẹ máa mú. Ẹ dá mi sí ẹ máa mú. Lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ẹ̀yin lálàá burúkú lórí ọkọ ọ̀run mọ́. Ẹ̀yin ráyọ ọ̀run mọ́. Don't forget, Àwòmọ̀jú la jẹ́ wàgbàdo onúgò. I put it in African Power. Àwòmọ̀jú. Fowls we snub this corn in the bottle. If you want to prepare it, use bottle. Àgbàdo onúgò. Àwòmọ̀jú la jẹ́ ń wò. If you put corn inside, how you will do it? It's an African Power book. Yes. Ọ̀sán àtòru kì í pàdé bèbí odò méjì kì í fojú kanra wọn. How you can use 1 a.m. sand, 1 p.m. sand? How you will join it together? You put it inside cotton wood. Those of you that say you don't sit in the English version, that sand, 1 a.m. sand, 1 p.m. sand, you mix them together. Put inside cotton wood. Add the other materials. Add the other material that I put inside the book. Wrap it. You can put it in your pocket, put it in your car, hang it at your doorstep of your house. By the special grace of God, you are protected. Ẹ̀rù gbọ́dẹ, ẹ̀rù gbà yàfún tí ó máa sọ yín. Yes, àwọn tẹ́ kó sú ènìyàn kan ti kó sọ́wọ́. Àwọn ẹlẹ́sìn olóṣèlú, àwọn ní yàfún lọ́dọ̀. ìwọ àtèmi kò sẹ́ni tó sọ wa àfọlódùmarè. Nobody is guiding you and me. You are not a politician, you are not a religious, you are not a pastor, you are not a imam that get FT policemen that can escort them, that can escort their wives, escort their children to school. It's only God. Màálù tí ò ní rù, Ọlọ́run ní bá lè sinmi. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, tí ò bá jọ yín lójú, tí ò jọ obìnrin lójú ló ń kó obìnrin nínú. Yóò bó ń fi gbogbo ẹnu sọ̀rọ̀. Buy African power and see it. You will be surprised, you will enjoy it. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.